In the School of Geographical and Earth Sciences, you will learn through a range of different methods and environments situated both on and off campus. We have traditional lecture theatres where you will learn core content, but interspersed with this, you will also undertake small group tasks to make sure that you remain an engaged and enthusiastic learner. We make use of our wonderful campus situated in the West End of Glasgow. On campus, we have the world-class Huntarium, which allows students access to rock specimens and fossils, as well as archived maps in our library. Also on campus, we have our Rock Around the University exercise. This exercise is designed for students to practice practical skills and the use of equipment before we take them into the field. All of our degree programs have a field component to them. During these field classes, you will learn how to observe the landscape and how us humans interact with that landscape, as well as get to grips with practical components and equipment. These field classes can either be short excursions during timetabled labs and workshops, where we go to places such as the River Kelvin, just down from campus, where you might undertake water quality sample analysis or learn to take observations of how we interact with natural environments like river systems. In addition, we do single-day field classes. We have a range of different field day locations, including the beautiful Loch Lomond. We can go over to the west coast to Porton Cross, or you can go to the east coast to Peace Bay. All of our degree programs have a residential field class component. These can be within Scotland to locations such as Fort William, Ullapool or Inverness, but also to further afield. On these field classes, you will undertake longer projects where you will tackle community-driven but also global issues. You will take practical skills that you've learned both in the lecture theatre and workshops and on campus and apply them in the outdoor environment. We get lots of positive feedback about our classes due to this experiential learning, but also because of the bonding that occurs on these field classes where you will make friends for life. Our learning environments are tailored to ensure that you get a world-class learning experience and to ensure that you are trained for current as well as future job markets. We hope to see you at one of our open days very soon, and if you have any questions, please do get in contact.